Welcome to the positional trading review for the month of June 2021. This video is to review the positional trades taken during the month of June 2021. We generally share our positional trading plan and trading levels at the start of every month. That is every new monthly expiry contracts, and this video is to review how those positional trades panned out at the end of the month. As you all know, we generally trade on only 8 stocks, that is INFI, ITC, JSWSTEEL, LUPIN, Reliance, Sun Pharma, BHARTIARTL and ICICIBANK, and 2 indices, Nifty and BANKNIFTY, every month. We also have automated alerts being triggered whenever we trade, so you can subscribe for this service completely free of charge using the link in the description section of this video. Name of the Telegram channel is Positional Alerts. So if you are interested in getting the automated alerts whenever we take positions or close positions, you can join this channel. The objective of this channel is to reduce the efforts that we spent in monitoring these stocks. This automated alerts will help us with that job. So with that note, let's begin our review for the trades taken during June 2021. This was a good month to trade. Let's start with indices first. First, Nifty. Long trade on Nifty was triggered at the start of June month expiry and it hit target 1 really quickly. But it then came back twice to our entry before it bounced back till target 2. Our trailing stop loss was hit and we had to exit at cost. This was a zero-sum trade. Next is Bank Nifty. It deviated from Nifty completely this month. There was no trade at all in Bank Nifty this month, so we were just watching. Moving on to the stocks, first on the list is Bharati Airtel. A long was triggered on Bharati Airtel at the start of the June month expiry and it hit target 1 and 2 really quickly. I was expecting it to hit target 3, but then it started dropping and it hit our trailing stop loss and we had to exit at target 1 with 10 points. This was exactly similar trade like last month. It gave 2 more entries after that, but the conviction was already lost, so we didn't take those trades. Next on the list is ICICIBANK. This was a messy trade. Price gave entry on the short side in the mid of the month, but it then bounced back on the very same day. Then it started dropping towards our target. We had to book it at target 1 as the expiry was nearing. This was not a good trade. Next on the list is INFI. This is our trade for the month. It gave a clean entry on the long side and it gave all 3 targets really quickly. It gave the second long side entry in the last week of expiry and gave the first target as well. But we generally avoid taking new trades in the last week, so we had to avoid the second trade. This was one of the best trade of this particular month. Next on the list is ITC. Price gave entry on the long side at the start of the month, but it dropped back on the very next day, hitting our trailing stop loss and we had to exit at cost. It gave short side entry in the last week of the expiry and gave the first target as well. But generally, we avoid taking new trades in the last week, so we had to avoid this trade. Next on the list is JSWSTEEL. The long was triggered at the start of the June expiry month and it hit the target 1 really quickly. And it almost hit target 2. Since target 2 had good OA resistance, we had to exit near target 2. It gave short side entry in the last week of the expiry, but generally we avoid taking new trades in the last week, so we had to avoid this trade. Next on the list is Lupin. Price gave entry on the long side at the start of the month, but it dropped back on the very next day, hitting our trailing stop loss, and we had to exit at cost. It gave a short side entry in the last week of expiry and gave the first target as well. But generally, we avoid taking new trades in the last week of expiry, so we had to avoid this trade. Next one is Reliance. This is another perfect trade of the month. Reliance gave a pullback entry on the long side at the start of the expiry and it gave all 3 targets quickly on the very next day. It gave the second long side entry on the next day and gave 2 targets as well. We exited at target 1 as trailing stop loss was hit. This was a wonderful trade and it was a perfect example of pullback entry in positional trading. Last one on the list is Sun Pharma. Perfect entry was given on the short side at the start of the expiry and it hit target 2 on the very next day. We had to exit at target 2 as it was a good support. Price was moving sideways for almost the whole month near our entry price and then it went on to hit target 3 later in the month. This was a really good trade. This was one of the good month. Hope you have traded on some of these instruments and made some profits. Please share your experience and feedback with us if you have taken any of these trades. If you have any queries and clarifications on positional trades, feel free to ask in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer it. So now, are you ready for trading using July month levels? We have already shared the trading levels for the month of July in our Market Secrets and Positional Alerts channels. To get automatic alerts whenever positional trades are triggered based on our levels, you can join our Positional Alerts Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to the channel in the description section of this video. In addition, do you want to learn how to use the monthly levels file? You can check out our video on positional trading using monthly levels in our YouTube channel. I'll leave the link to the video in the description section of this video. You can also use our level strategy along with basic technical analysis to mint money in positional trading. And lastly, do you want to learn how to generate these levels and need full-fledged training on intraday, swing, positional and options trading? Then you can consider joining our Professional Traders program, otherwise called as PTP. I'll leave the link to our training program in the description section of this video. Also, if you want to trade on stocks other than the 8 stocks shared in our channel, you can use our monthly levels file in our website, which has trading levels for all F&O stocks. I'll leave the link to our website in the description section of this video. For any other queries, you can reach us anytime through WhatsApp or Telegram. Our contact details are available in our website. Finally, thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope it was useful. Hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.